In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link to a third-party credit application. So I'm going to go into Edit Site. Right now we have our financing section linked to our credit app page, but maybe you don't want to use our credit app and you have a third-party credit service. For example, Credit Acceptance, the popular one. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to copy the URL. Obviously, you would sign up with them and you would have a different URL to your credit app. But I'm just going to do this for the example. We're going to go back in and hit link to external website. And I'm just going to paste that URL in here. And I'm also going to check this box to open in a new window. So that way they don't lose our website when they open the link. And I'm just going to hit save and apply changes. And we're going to save our page and publish. Now when we click on our financing, it's going to open us a new tab and bring us to our link. And that's all for this tutorial.